Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let me show you how to make the very soft and fluffy Turkish bread. This is very similar to our pita bread. You need very few ingredients for this, so let's see how to do it. Into a large bowl, add in all-purpose flour, sugar, instant yeast. Here I've used instant yeast. If you're using dry yeast, you need to proof it before you add it. Now take some milk and add in warm water. Sprinkle some salt into the flour and add in the milk and water mixture. Give it a mix and start kneading the dough using your hands. Now take the dough onto your countertop and knead it really well until it becomes really soft. Now keep it back into the same bowl, drizzle some oil on top and cover it and let it rest until it becomes double in size. It may take up to 2 hours. And if you're living in a very warm place, you may need just 1 hour. After 2 hours, again take the dough onto the countertop and divide it into small equal parts. Make each pieces into ball size like this. So here we got around 6 balls, so we are making 6 pita breads. Now again sprinkle some flour, take each ball and roll it out. Don't make it very thin, you need bit thicker pita breads. Then only it will get puffed up and become soft. Now take the pita breads onto a hot pan and start cooking both the sides. Slowly you can press it using a cotton cloth so that it will get puffed up. Cook all the pita breads in the same way. Before serving, you can brush some melted butter, sprinkle some red chili flakes and some coriander leaves. Here I've used dried coriander leaves. It tastes amazing with these pita breads. And when you have it in this way, you don't need any side dishes for this pita bread. But these pita breads taste great when it uses for shawarma rolls, or you can also have it using any spicy curries. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.